everyone, welcome back to Natural A2, another week on Nat Tuesday. I want to just show y'all real quick. I did wash my hair and I have a certain solution that I've been using, all natural, and that's going to be on the next video if you stay tuned for that. But I'm not going to disclose it yet because I got to do a whole video on it, and it's something completely new that I've never done before. It's all natural. It's completely from nature. But I washed my hair and I still have my aloe vera rice concoction, but I want to show you. So I redid my African treads. And I'm going to tell you something, I'm really blown away how long my hair is getting. So I've been trying to do once a week, and I'm really blown away. I'm starting to get a lot of attention about my African treads, which I'm going to be doing a video for that. Just give me time because it's coming. But I want to show y'all how I do my African tread twist. But that's for another video. That's not this week. But I just want to show you guys really quick the length, and I have to do a length check on it, so probably by the end of the video I will do a length check. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video of me showing you guys how I make my aloe rice concoction from the fermented rice flour. All right, stay tuned. All right, so I have all my ingredients available and ready to go. To the right, I have the black seed oil, which I find to be very useful because of the antibacterial properties, my vitamin E, and all my measuring containers. To the left, you see the fermented rice flour in a bag, and then I have the little glass containers with the rice flour that's fermented, and that brown powder is bee pollen. So I'm going to go ahead and add the rice flour to the container, and this is the container I'm going to have it in for about an hour with the water mixture. I am going to add some bee pollen, and you probably are wondering why the bee pollen. Well, bee pollen is loaded with vitamins, enzymes, and nutrients. It's just very good for your hair and your scalp, as well as taking it internally. So I'm going to mix that in there just to add the vitamin content into it. And I'm going to pour the water, and you are going to notice that this water is starting to bubble up. Well, this is the fermenting process starting all over again. Basically, it's just kind of reigniting that fermentation for the water. The only thing is you don't have to wait 2 or 3 days. You can just wait an hour. Okay, so it's been about an hour now, and I am going to eventually add my oils, which is the black seed oil, and I am going to add the vitamin E oil. Now, vitamin E oil is an excellent preservative. It is all natural, and it's very good when you're using any type of watery type concoctions. So I'll give that a little stir. And I'll more than likely let this sit for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes just to kind of let the oils in there just kind of marinate in there a little bit. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes, and now it's time for me to go ahead and strain my rice water with this bee pollen in it, because I want to get all that sedimentation out of there. I don't want to have that in my spritz bottle. So there it is. It's all just sitting right in that strainer. Now, if you want, you don't have to use bee pollen. You can just use the regular rice water, which is sufficient in itself. The rice water can be just used by itself because it still has all the enzymes and things you need for your hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and just strain this. This is the fermented rice powder or flour that I made previously, and I have a video for that. I have a previous video that I will link in the description box. All right. Alrighty, so there's the rice water and it's fermented. And there is my aloe vera spritz bottle. I have about 2 cups of aloe vera and just some oils in there, some essential oils in there just to make it smell really good. And I'm going to pour this rice flour into my aloe vera water. So now it's aloe vera rice water. Now I don't want anything to go to waste, so I do have my rice water with that bee pollen in it because I want the extra vitamins, that extra boost for my scalp and my hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour that in there. And there it is. This is my aloe vera rice concoction. It's for my spritz. So here I am just twirling around and just looking at how beautifully my hair is growing. And I use the spritz on my scalp daily and my hair, at least at the roots. Sometimes I'll spray my shreds just to so it can soak into the hair. So this is about it. This is the conclusion of the video. And if you like the video, please hit a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates of my hair care journey.